Welcome, today I'm in Fiat 500 and today I'll show you how you can set up your balance and fade. So let me just play music a little bit and I will show you how it looks. Okay, I think that right now we can hear that sound. Let me just volume up a little bit. Okay, and to set up the balance and fade, we have to go for the audio right here on our screen. And as you can see, here we get the balance and fade, so we have to select that. And let me just volume up a little bit, okay. And right now to set it up, just move this icon of the speaker around seats. You can also make it by tapping on these arrows. And basically, that's all. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.